Let's talk about that $500,000 pre-approval. It's an exciting number, isn't it? It represents possibilities, dreams of a new home, a fresh start. But before you get carried away with visions of granite countertops and sprawling backyards, let's take a moment to understand what that pre-approval really means. It all starts when you just got online. You've been dreaming, scrolling listings, late into the night perhaps, picturing your life in new spaces, imagining holidays, family gatherings, and quiet evenings. You finally take the plunge, feeling a mix of excitement and maybe a little bit of nervousness. Enter your info, carefully filling out each field, hoping for the best, and bam! A confetti explosion on your screen. Congratulations, you're pre-approved for $500,000. It feels like you've won the lottery, doesn't it? Suddenly you're booking showings, eager to see what your newfound budget can buy. For homes you never thought you could afford. Homes with gourmet kitchens, spa-like bathrooms, and walk-in closets the size of your current bedroom. But let's hit pause, just for a moment. As someone who's seen this play out countless times, guiding people through the often confusing world of mortgages, I can tell you that instant pre-approval, while exciting, is more marketing than money. It's designed to get you excited and engaged. It's a teaser, not a guarantee. Think of it as an estimated guess, not a final verdict. The number is based on a few self-reported details, the information you provided on that initial online form, not a deep dive into your finances. It doesn't take into account the full picture of your financial life. The system doesn't know about your new car loan, the one you just financed last month, your student debt, those looming payments that can significantly impact your monthly budget, or the quirks of your freelance income, the ups and downs that can make it difficult to predict your earnings from month to month. It's a guess, not a promise, a starting point, not the finish line. And that's a risky way to start, relying on incomplete information. The biggest purchase of your life, a decision that will impact your financial well-being for years to come. Before you fall in love with a $500,000 house and start picturing your furniture in every room, let's get real. Let's have an honest conversation about what you can truly afford. I'll show you how to spot the difference, how to read between the lines of those loan documents, between a marketing gimmick and a true financial green light, a pre-approval based on solid documentation, and a thorough assessment of your financial situation. Because buying a home should be a milestone, a joyous occasion filled with excitement and anticipation, not a setup for heartbreak, not a path to financial stress and regret. Let's make sure your dream is built on a solid foundation, a foundation of financial security and responsible planning, not a house of cards. Let's build a future you can be proud of, one brick at a time. In the complex world of real estate, where dreams meet financial realities, who you trust truly matters. It's about more than just finding a house. It's about securing your future. It matters far more than any algorithm churning out numbers. That's precisely why I want you to meet Kris McCullough. Kris is a retired Marine-turned-mortgage loan officer, a testament to dedication and service. Kris brings military-level discipline, precision, and unwavering commitment to the often intimidating world of lending. With Kris, there are no shortcuts, no cutting corners, just clear, honest guidance, and absolutely no fluff. He's personally witnessed the devastating fallout from those alluring yet often misleading instant online pre-approvals. And that's why he's made it his personal mission to protect homebuyers from the potential heartbreak of disappointment and financial missteps. For Kris, a mortgage isn't just another impersonal transaction, a mere exchange of funds. It's a pivotal moment, the key that unlocks the door to your family's future, a place to build memories and security. He takes the time to educate you, empowering you to make informed decisions, not just trying to sell you a loan product. Unlike a cold, unfeeling algorithm, Kris possesses the human touch, the ability to spot potential red flags that a computer might miss. He'll ask the right, insightful questions, delving deeper to understand your unique financial situation and strategize a plan tailored specifically for you. He'll patiently help you prepare clear and concise explanations for any unusual or odd deposits, and he'll provide expert guidance on which debts to prioritize and pay down to improve your financial profile. That's the crucial difference. An impersonal online form simply spits out a number, often without context or explanation. But a seasoned pro like Kris gives you a comprehensive roadmap, a clear path to achieving your homeownership goals. A true expert becomes your trusted financial co-pilot, working alongside you every step of the way, skillfully steering you through any potential turbulence and navigating the complexities to ensure a smooth and successful closing. They're not just trying to get you excited about shopping for a home. They're dedicated to making absolutely sure that you can actually buy that home, turning your dreams into reality. That's the kind of knowledgeable and supportive partner you truly need in your corner, someone you can rely on. In the end, experience, unwavering integrity, and a genuine commitment to your best interests are your real and most valuable assets. Let's clear up a huge misconception that can really trip up first-time homebuyers and even seasoned property investors. It's a misunderstanding that revolves around the terms pre-qualification and pre-approval. And the difference between the two is critical. That pre-approval you got online in 10 minutes, the one that seemed so easy and convenient, it's just a pre-qualification, a very preliminary assessment. Pre-qualification is a quick chat, often over the phone or online, based on what you say about your financial situation, not what you can prove with actual documentation. No one's actually checked your pay stubs to verify your income, tax returns to confirm your tax obligations and deductions, or bank statements to see your savings and spending habits. It's like telling a restaurant owner you're a great chef during a job interview, without ever stepping into the kitchen and cooking a dish to demonstrate your skills. A real pre-approval is when you show your credentials, like culinary school certificates, and cook your signature meal on the spot for the owner to taste. Lenders won't hand over hundreds of thousands of dollars based solely on your word. They need concrete proof to back up your claims. If you haven't uploaded documents like your W-2s, tax returns, and bank statements, you don't have a pre-approval. You have a marketing gimmick designed to get you emotionally invested in the home buying process before you even know what you can truly afford. It's risky, because you start shopping for homes with a price range number that hasn't been thoroughly verified by a lender. When the real underwriting review happens, after you've found your dream home, that initial number can vanish or significantly decrease. Don't fall for the illusion of a quick and easy pre-qualification. Know the crucial difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval, and demand the real thing from your lender. Your financial future and homeownership dreams depend on it. Don't let a simple marketing trick set you up for potential disappointment and heartbreak in your home buying journey. So where does that magical $500,000 number come from? Automated systems use your gross income before taxes and deductions, not what you actually take home. They use best-case estimates for taxes, insurance, and often ignore HOA fees. A real loan officer uses local data and real numbers. Algorithms miss the details like your true student loan payments or that new car you're about to buy. The result? An inflated pre-approval that doesn't reflect your real-world finances. It's not a lie, but it is an illusion. You end up shopping through a funhouse mirror, seeing homes you can't truly afford. When reality hits, it hurts. Don't let a computer's optimism set you up for failure. Get the real numbers from a real person. That's how you avoid painful surprises. Here's how the fantasy crashes into reality. You find your dream home, make an offer, and it's accepted. You pay for inspections and appraisals, tell everyone the good news. Then the real review starts. Now you submit all your documents. The underwriter finds issues. Maybe your income isn't as high as you claimed, or your debt is higher than the system guessed. Suddenly, your $500,000 pre-approval drops to $425,000. But your contract is for $490,000. The deal collapses. You lose the house, your inspection money, and your excitement. The emotional cost is even worse than the financial loss. You're left embarrassed, frustrated, and distrustful of the process, all because the homework wasn't done up front. This is the real price of a weak pre-approval. Don't let your dream evaporate at the last second. Start strong and avoid heartbreak. So how do you avoid disaster? Get a real pre-approval from the start. It's not a quick quiz, it's a thorough process. You'll fill out a full loan application, not just a short form. You'll provide pay stubs, W-2s, and full tax returns. You'll share bank statements for all accounts showing where your down payment comes from. Be ready to explain any large deposits. The lender will do a full hard credit pull. If they don't ask for all this, you don't have a real pre-approval. The best loan officers go further, running your file through automated underwriting systems for extra certainty. That's as close to a guarantee as you can get before you find a house. This is the pre-approval that closes deals. Don't settle for less. With a real pre-approval, your home search transforms. You're not gambling, you're shopping with confidence. You know your true budget and monthly payment. No more anxiety about whether you can actually afford the homes you see. When you find a house you love, you can make an offer with conviction. Sellers and agents take you seriously, especially with a verified pre-approval from a reputable lender. Your offer stands out, even if it's not the highest. You save time and emotional energy by focusing only on homes you can truly buy. You negotiate from a position of strength. This is shopping smarter, not harder. Your pre-approval is your secret weapon. Use it to win. Make your home search a mission, not a gamble. Take control of your home buying mission. Reject shortcuts and arm yourself with knowledge and a trustworthy team. That's the veteran approach Kris McCullough brings. Plan, verify, execute. Don't trust a number on a screen. Trust a pro who's been through the real fight. Shift your mindset. You're not just buying a house, you're building your future. Find a lender who educates, not just sells. Build your team, a great agent and a loan officer who's verified your documents. When your lender and agent work together, you're represented with strength. Get your financing foundation set first, then shop for your home. Move through the process with no surprises. Demand a pre-approval built to close, not collapse. Be proactive, empowered, and in command. That's how you secure your new home with confidence. Buying a home is one of the most personal and important decisions you'll ever make. It deserves a foundation of facts and trust, not marketing tricks. Demand integrity from the very first step. Don't let the lure of speed and convenience lead you into a trap. The real victory is a successful closing, not a fast pre-approval. Be your own best advocate. Ask questions, challenge the process. If a lender doesn't ask for documents, ask why. A true professional welcomes your diligence. Your dream is within reach, with the right strategy and team. Seek out educators and allies who empower you. Shop with confidence, knowing your pre-approval is built on truth. You're not just buying a house, you're investing in your future. Build it on trust and enjoy genuine peace of mind.